Today I'm giving you a quick beginner exercise to practice mixing your vocal registers. Now mixing helps you get rid of those voice cracks and it allows you to smoothen out your sound throughout your vocal range so that you can sing high without strain, which many desire. So a bunch of great benefits. Let's get into it. The track goes like this. So a straightforward slide starting with the hung sound and producing sound here in your nose. The hung sound is created with the back of your tongue just raising up and gently touching the soft part in the roof of your mouth. We also call that the soft palate. And then the tip of your tongue is just gently touching your bottom front teeth. So you say this sound, hung. What this sound does is that it gives you two benefits for mixing. First, it naturally sends all your resonance into your nasal cavity. It does this because the tongue raises up, and so it closes the passage for your sound to get into your oral cavity and sends all of it into your nose instead. As I said in my geeky video about mixed voice last week, your resonance is one of the main success factors to mixing your registers. So it's really cool with this exercise that it sends all of your resonance here into your nose where you can feel the sympathetic vibration and then you can hold on to it as you mix your registers. So let's try right now to see if we can feel that sympathetic vibration. So we're going to say hung and then feel if it's vibrating here. Hung. Yeah, I feel it right here. Now don't get discouraged if you feel it a little less as you go higher. That's completely normal, so don't worry about that. The second benefit of this exercise is that the hung sound puts your tongue in a position where it naturally lowers your larynx. And that because your mouth is open when we say hung, you can relax your jaw down and back. And when you do that, it further helps you stabilize your larynx. And this is very important when you mix your registers, because a high larynx, it constricts your vocal folds from stretching and contracting freely, which you need when you're mixing your registers. Okay, let's get to the track. Remember to relax your jaw back and down so you avoid tension, and to take good deep breaths for singing so that you can support the resonance on these long glides. Here we go. great work. Let me know in the comments below how it went, or if you have any questions about the exercise. And if you want to learn more about mixed voice, I suggest that you check out my video from last week right over here, because I go into detail on how mixed voice is really created and how you can use your resonance to mix your registers. So I'll see you over there, where we're going to continue to geek out on your voice to create the sound that you want.